So, Dr. Sierra, with all the things that you do here at your practice, one of the things that we talked about, that we touched upon, was you giving people their smile back and the passion that you have that drives you behind your practice and what you do. Tell us about how you give people their smile back and how important that is for somebody.
Well, I will tell you, it is extremely rewarding because not only am I able to transform their physical appearance and their physical smile, but there truly is a connection with their emotional well-being. All of a sudden, you know, that self-esteem that was always inside comes through. All of a sudden,
Through their smile.
Yes. And they're able to smile and they're able to feel better about themselves. And it truly is the most rewarding part of my dentistry.
The smile is really the first thing you see.
You know what? You can do all these beautiful cosmetic procedures to your face,
You're
to
right.
your body, but one of the first things when you go to speak to someone is their smile. Yes.
So let's talk about the other part of what you do in your practice, the Sierra Spa. Yeah, the Sierra Dental Spa. Now, that kind of sets you apart and makes you a little different perhaps from what other, just maybe, if I would say, a straight dentist does.
Correct.
You have the Sierra Dental Spa. Let's talk about that and how that makes you different and what that means.
Well, it's interesting enough. Like I said, you know, when I was a small child, I hated going to the dentist.
Right, we talked about that. It scared you, right?
They were just so cold and it was just a sterile environment.
Right.
I never wanted to, you know, start that in my own office. So I got the idea of starting to implement all these, you know, just little extra details to the office. So aromatherapy, we have lavender wax, paraffin wax, in which our patients can dip their hands.
Oh, see, paraffin here.
Yes.
Oh, I love that.
And it's infused
Do we have
with
time?
lavender. We might have time. And it's infused with lavender, and lavender is well known as an aromatherapy to help relax the patients subconsciously. We have the dental chair that has a built-in massage.
Oh, come on. Wait a minute. Hold, please. A dental chair with a massage.
Built-in massage in the dental chair. We have video eyewear in which the patient with our Bose noise reduction headphones.
Love Bose.
They can watch movies, they can watch TV, and they don't need to be seeing instruments going through their
that's
face.
right. That's right.
They can just focus on being entertained.
Right.
And when we're done, you know, it's a wonderful reaction patients get. They're like, "You're done?"
Go! I wasn't sure watching my movie.
Exactly. Like, no, give me 10 more minutes. And I'm like, no, you have to go.
Exactly. Get out. Now, within your practice, do you have an age limit or range? Do you work on children as well?
We work on kids from 3 to 93.
Oh, wonderful. 3 to 93 kids.
Kids of all ages that come to the office.
Wonderful.
And then another thing that we started implementing in the office was that once we started transforming their smiles, then patients started telling us, well, Dr. Sierra, I have this beautiful smile, but then now I smile so much and I have these little wrinkles here. So we started implementing Botox.
Really? Wonderful.
Painless hair laser removal, because patients don't want to go to 20 different places for 20 different
I have to tell you, that is very, very smart, because you're right, they don't.
Yes.
So that is a Sierra Day Spa.
In South Florida, I am one of the few offices from here, I think, to Orlando. I think there's only 2 machines with painless hair laser removal.
That is incredible. Well, you have a wonderful practice. You
so
encompass so many things that, like you said, so many people don't want to run to 3 or 4 different offices, and it's all here in one. Thank you so much for your graciousness. Thank you for all you do for those people who don't have their smiles quite right and giving it back to them. You've been watching Aesthetic TV with Dr. Karen Sierra. I'm Brenda Epperson. Stay tuned for more.